What's up, you guys? I have something really cool to show you all today. So a couple weeks ago I ordered my first Jeffree Star mystery box. This is the one that I got. It's so cute. I only got the medium one and I really wanted the biggest one, but the lunch started at 1 o'clock and I completely forgot about it. I was at work and I didn't take my break until 1:30, so by the time I got on there, all the large ones were all sold out. So I had to settle for this one. I'm pretty sure this one has got 5 items in it and it was $45. I want to say shipping was 10 or something like that. And it came super quick. So I ordered this on July 19th and it came in on the 23rd. So that was really awesome. Pay no mind to me, I have no makeup on today because I want to try some of the stuff that we see that is in here and I have no idea what's going to be in here. So I wanted to be ready to go to show it to you guys. So let's get started. I have already cut the tape so that way I can get into it easy, or we would be here for the rest of our lives. So let's see what we've got. You open it up and there is this cute pink Jeffree tissue paper. I'm so excited, and the very first thing I see is a liquid frost. Let's see what color. It is in Crown Jewel. So I really want to tear into this and see what is going on. Let's see. I have never had one of these before, so I'm so excited. It looks so pretty and gold, which is my favorite color. Ooh. And it's just got a little dropper. I'll swatch some on my hand for you. Oh, it's so pretty. It is so cute. It literally matches, all the jewelry that I wear. Look at that. I really just want to put some up here where I normally do my highlight, just for fun. Just to get an idea of what it'll look like. I love it. And I have never used a liquid highlight before, so I'm really excited about this. It feels really nice. It's not super thick. Love it. Okay, let's see what else we've got. The very next thing that I see is the little question mark liquid lip that he said would be, I know for sure, in the medium and the large box. It's an exclusive color and I'm pretty sure he's not going to make them anymore. So I'm really excited. And it's such a pretty color. I remember he said on his story that it wouldn't be anything crazy like a neon green. It's a really nice nude pink. And I'll swatch it for you guys. Let's see. That is so nice. I love that. And this is it on. No line or anything, obviously, because I'm just playing in it all. But yes, here's the packaging. It's super cute. There's the little question mark. Super pretty. Oh, I love it. It would probably look a lot better if I had my total face done, but I just didn't know what to expect. Okay, so the next thing I have got is another velour liquid lipstick, and it is in the color Doll Parts, which I do not have, so I'm super excited to see that. Actually, I'll be right back so I can wipe off this and show you the next ones. Okay, so I am back to show you the Doll Parts liquid lip. I'm so excited. I love this color. I think it'll be so nice for fall. It's, oh my God, do not look at my nails. But it's so nude, but also like a darker pink than the question mark. So I'll put them side by side so you can really see the difference. This one is doll parts, and that is our question mark. Love it. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. I'm so excited. And here's the packaging on it. It's just the classic like pink with the Jeffree Star stars. Ooh, okay, so there's a lot of lip products in here. The next one, which I don't have any of these, is a lip ammunition. So it's like the little bullet, and it is in the color Celebrity Skin. Another nice, awesome nude. So I'm excited to see what this looks like. Oh, it's, how cute is that? Little bullet. I love it. Okay. Very nude, perfect, everyday color. So let me see. I'll swatch it next to my liquid lips. And this is the Celebrity Skin. Very nude, very nice. Look good when I have a tan. Love it. I'm so excited. And the very last thing that I got in my box is a cute little orange Jeffree pop socket. I've literally never had a pop socket. I know that sounds terrible, but I'm so excited for this one. And it just matches like his summer collection, the green, the orange, all of that. So that's about it. It looks like, so I got my 5 items. I got the pop socket, a liquid frost highlighter, which I'm super excited to use. I got the lip ammunition in Celebrity Skin, the velour liquid lip in Doll Parts, and then the last liquid lip, the question mark, the exclusive, which I'm so excited about. I hope I don't like it too much, because then what am I going to do if he never makes it again? I don't know. I'll just have to be sparing with it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait for the next launch, the next mystery box. This was so much fun. It was literally like Christmas. So I hope that you get a chance to get one as well.